Have you ever imagined a future where your golden years are truly golden? Filled with the freedom to pursue your passions and enjoy the fruits of a lifetime of hard work? The journey towards a secure retirement is not just a financial endeavor. It's a roadmap to the life you've always envisioned. How do you navigate the vast landscape of retirement planning, ensuring your future is not just financially stable, but fulfilling? Join us as we embark on a journey through the intricacies of retirement planning, securing your future. From choosing the right retirement accounts to crafting an investment strategy that aligns with your dreams. We'll explore the steps that can turn your retirement vision into a vibrant reality. Are you ready to take charge of your financial destiny and embrace a future that reflects the best version of your life? Let's dive in and discover the keys to unlocking a retirement that goes beyond financial security to embrace the essence of a life well lived. 1. Retirement account options. Exploring choices. Retirement planning begins with the crucial decision: choosing the right retirement accounts. Each option comes with its own set of rules, tax implications, and benefits. 401k. One of the most popular choices. A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement plan. It allows employees to contribute a portion of their salary before taxes, providing an immediate tax benefit. Employers often match contributions up to a certain percentage, amplifying the potential for growth. However, early withdrawals may incur penalties. Individual retirement account IRAs offer individuals a tax-advantaged way to save for retirement. They come in two main types: traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deductible contributions, while Roth IRAs provide tax-free withdrawals in retirement. The choice depends on factors such as current tax brackets and future retirement expectations. Pension plans. Some employers offer traditional pension plans, promising a fixed payout during retirement based on factors like salary and years of service. While less common in the private sector, pensions can provide a stable income stream, reducing the need for personal investment decisions. Understanding the nuances of each account type is crucial. For example, the Roth IRA is particularly advantageous for those anticipating a higher tax bracket in retirement, as withdrawals are tax-free. On the other hand, a 401k might be more appealing if an employer matches contributions, effectively providing free money for retirement. 2. Investment strategies for retirement. Building a solid portfolio. Once the retirement accounts are established, the focus shifts to constructing an investment portfolio aligned with one's financial goals and risk tolerance. Asset allocation. Diversification is the cornerstone of a robust investment strategy. Balancing assets such as stocks, bonds, and cash can help manage risk. Younger investors may lean towards a more aggressive approach, with a higher percentage in stocks, while those closer to retirement might prefer a more conservative mix. Stocks. Equities have historically provided higher returns over the long term, making them a crucial element of many retirement portfolios. Investing in a broad range of stocks, including domestic and international markets, can enhance diversification. Bonds. Bonds offer stability and income. They are generally considered less risky than stocks, making them an essential component for risk-averse investors. Bonds can provide regular interest payments and act as a counterbalance to stock market volatility. Mutual funds. For those seeking professional management and instant diversification, mutual funds are an attractive option. These funds pull money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Risk tolerance and time horizon. Understanding one's risk tolerance and time horizon is crucial. Riskier investments may experience higher short-term volatility, but can yield greater returns over an extended period. Assessing how soon retirement is anticipated helps determine the appropriate balance between risk and stability. Investment strategies should evolve over time, adjusting as retirement approaches. younger individuals might adopt an aggressive approach to capitalize on market growth, while those nearing retirement may shift towards more conservative investments to protect accumulated wealth. Regular portfolio reviews ensure alignment with changing life circumstances and market conditions. In the next section, we'll delve into the practicalities of estimating retirement needs and setting realistic savings goals. 3. Calculating retirement needs, a practical approach. Estimating retirement needs involves a thoughtful analysis of various factors to ensure financial security during the golden years. Retirement expenses. Start by outlining expected expenses in retirement. Consider essential costs like housing, healthcare, and food, as well as discretionary spending on travel and leisure. Accounting for inflation is crucial, as it erodes the purchasing power of money over time. Healthcare costs. Healthcare expenses often increase in retirement. Factoring in potential medical costs, including insurance premiums, prescription drugs, and potential long-term care, provides a more accurate picture of retirement needs. Inflation considerations. Inflation erodes the real value of money. A dollar today will not have the same purchasing power in the future. Therefore, it's essential to account for inflation when calculating retirement needs. Future expenses must be adjusted to reflect the expected rise in the cost of living. Retirement income sources. Identify all potential income sources during retirement. This may include Social Security benefits, pension payments, and any additional sources of income, such as rental properties or part-time work. Understanding the expected inflow of funds helps in determining the required savings goal. Emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a crucial aspect of retirement planning. Unexpected expenses can arise, and having a financial cushion ensures that retirees don't have to dip into their long-term savings during emergencies. Financial tools and calculators. Utilize retirement calculators and financial planning tools available online. These tools consider various factors such as current savings, expected rate of return, and anticipated retirement age to estimate the required savings amount. While these tools provide a useful starting point, it's important to reassess and adjust the plan regularly as circumstances change. 4. Early retirement planning. Tips for success. Early retirement, while an attractive prospect, requires careful planning and disciplined financial habits. Accelerating savings. To retire early, individuals often need to save a higher percentage of their income. Cutting expenses and maximizing contributions to retirement accounts can expedite the accumulation of wealth. Additionally, taking advantage of employer matching contributions and windfalls, such as bonuses or tax refunds, can boost savings. Minimizing expenses. Early retirees must scrutinize their spending habits. This involves distinguishing between needs and wants, finding cost-effective alternatives, and adopting a frugal lifestyle. Reducing debt, including mortgages and credit cards, contributes to financial freedom. Optimizing investments. Early retirees have a longer time horizon for investments to grow. This allows for a potentially more aggressive investment approach, with a focus on long-term growth. However, managing risk remains crucial, as a significant market downturn could impact retirement plans. Healthcare planning. Securing healthcare coverage is paramount for early retirees, as they may not be eligible for Medicare until the age of 65. Investigating health insurance options and estimating potential medical costs ensures that health-related expenses are factored into the retirement plan. Flexibility and adaptability. Early retirement plans should be flexible. Unexpected events, such as economic downturns or personal life changes, may necessitate adjustments to the original plan. Maintaining adaptability allows early retirees to navigate challenges effectively. Part-time work. Early retirees might explore part-time work or consulting to supplement their income. This not only provides financial support, but also keeps individuals engaged and active during retirement. Successful early retirement planning requires a delicate balance between aggressive saving, disciplined spending, and strategic investment. In the subsequent section, we'll delve into common pitfalls in retirement planning and how to avoid them. 5. Common pitfalls in retirement planning. Avoiding mistakes. Navigating the complexities of retirement planning requires a keen awareness of potential pitfalls that can derail financial security. Procrastination. One of the most common pitfalls is procrastination. Delaying the initiation of a retirement plan can significantly impact the ability to accumulate sufficient savings. Time is a powerful ally in the realm of compound interest, and earlier one starts saving, the more substantial the nest egg can become. Underestimating expenses. Failing to accurately estimate future expenses is a critical mistake. Inflation, healthcare costs, and unforeseen circumstances can lead to a more expensive retirement than initially anticipated. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the retirement plan helps in addressing evolving financial needs. Relying solely on Social Security. While Social Security benefits are a valuable component of retirement income, relying solely on them can leave individuals with insufficient funds. Social Security was never designed to be the sole source of retirement income, emphasizing the need for additional savings and investments. Ignoring health considerations. Neglecting to plan for healthcare expenses can be a costly oversight. Medical costs tend to increase with age, and unexpected health issues can strain finances. Including a buffer for healthcare expenses in the retirement plan is crucial for long-term financial security. Market timing and speculation. Attempting to time the market or engaging in speculative investments poses a significant risk. Market timing is notoriously challenging, and speculative ventures can lead to substantial losses. A diversified, long-term investment approach is generally more prudent. Lack of emergency fund. Failing to establish and maintain an emergency fund can be detrimental. Without a financial cushion, retirees may be forced to dip into their retirement savings to cover unexpected expenses, undermining the sustainability of their retirement plan. 6. Post-retirement financial management, making your money last. The transition into retirement marks a shift from accumulating wealth to managing and preserving it for the future. Income generation. While some retirees rely solely on their savings, others explore additional income streams. This may involve part-time work, rental income from properties, or dividends from investments. Strategically generating income helps maintain financial stability. Budgeting and lifestyle choices. Creating a post-retirement budget is essential for managing expenses. Assessing lifestyle choices and adjusting spending habits based on available resources ensures that retirees live within their means without depleting their savings prematurely. Withdrawal strategies. Determining how and when to withdraw funds from retirement accounts is a critical aspect of post-retirement financial management. Establishing a systematic withdrawal plan and considering tax implications can optimize the use of retirement assets. Healthcare and long-term care planning. As retirees age, healthcare and potential long-term care become significant considerations. Planning for these expenses, including exploring insurance options and understanding Medicare coverage, is crucial for maintaining financial well-being. Legacy planning. Many retirees wish to leave a financial legacy for their heirs. Estate planning, including the creation of wills and trusts, allows individuals to specify how their assets will be distributed, ensuring a smooth transition of wealth to the next generation. Post-retirement financial management requires a balance between enjoying the fruits of one's labor and ensuring that the money lasts throughout one's lifetime. In the absence of a crystal ball predicting the future, careful planning, adaptability, and informed decision-making are paramount. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey of financial education. If you found our content valuable and inspiring, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, You'll stay updated with our latest videos, ensuring you never miss a valuable tip or insightful story. Your support fuels our mission to create a financially literate future generation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Liking our videos helps us reach more viewers, spreading the message of financial empowerment far and wide. We also love hearing from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or personal experiences in the comments section below. Your comments not only enrich our community, but also provide opportunities for meaningful discussions. Thank you for being a part of our community dedicated to teaching kids about money. Together, let's shape a brighter, financially savvy tomorrow for our children. Subscribe, like, and comment now, and let's continue this important conversation.